All right, guys. So we'll be looking at AC joint taping. So first of all, equipment you're gonna use is a Hypafix and Luca tape. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna measure. So your first measurement is you take your Hypafix, this little guy right there. You start from the deltoid tuberosity and then you go all the way to your mid clavicle. Once you have that, you just take your scissors and you cut off, so like so. And then your second measurement, same thing. You start from just beneath the clavicle, so right over the pec, right behind the spine. Just remember, you want to deal with levers, so make sure it's okay if you go a bit more with the Hypafix. So like so, and then you cut. So first thing, the Hypafix might be a bit tricky because it can easily tangle up, so you can ask your athlete to help you out. Also, yeah, just mention you want to keep your athlete in a flex position. You don't want to sink him down, so you want to try to elevate his shoulder. So you can ask your athlete to help once you smooth down the Hypafix. So you start from deltoid tuberosity. Make sure you smooth it down. And then pull up. So make sure everything is smooth. And then you're going to take the other layer of your Hypafix, so you find your spine. So right around this area, and just right above the clavicle. And then same thing. Just go around the mid clavicle, mid portion, and then fold over like that. Same thing, just fold it over, smooth it out. So lay it down, make sure everything's fine, and pull, and smooth. All right, so after you lay down your Hypafix, now you're gonna actually take your Luca tape, and then how you're gonna lay it down is first you're gonna lay from the first one, deltoid tuberosity, to the mid clavicle region, so you can go right over, you can pass it. So just measure it out in this case, and then you cut it. In this case, we already have it pre-measured. So you lay down from deltoid tuberosity, make sure it's smoothed out. And then once you cross over, you're gonna ask your athlete to shrug, and then pull it down, like that. Next, you're gonna put your 3 fan strips like that. So same thing, measure it out. So you start making a middle, pass over the clavicle, in this case, comes up. So in this case, take one of your strips, start from your spine, a bit lower if you take a longer strip. Start lower, and then pass over the AC. Same thing, sorry. You're gonna ask your athlete to shrug again. So shrug, pull, and push it down, like that. Same thing, you're gonna make another shape. So it comes up. So same thing, you pass over the AC, so shrug, and then comes up, lay it down. And then finally, your other fan shape, you're gonna cross it over like that, right over the AC joint. So lever. Again, when you pass over the AC, shrug, please. pull it over, and then smooth it out. Just make sure, like I said, don't lay the Leukotape directly on the skin because it's really sticky. So in this case, just cut, lay it down. And then one is quite sufficient. However, you want to ask your athlete how he feels. If he still feels like, oh, please, I need more support, then you'll do another layer of a fan and then close it off. So once that's done, then you can let your athlete play, but you can close it off with a shoulder spica, and after that, it's basically done. How do you feel?
Good.
And there you go. That's your AC joint taping.